Hi, we own two flea markets in central Ohio that have mostly outdoor dealers. South Drive-In is all outdoor dealers. Westland Flea Market is indoor and outdoor. Outdoor dealers in the state of Ohio need a transient vendor's license. That's because they're transient. They come, they sell their stuff, and then they leave, and then maybe they come back again, or maybe they go somewhere else. It's a lot of money to be made selling things at flea markets. The state of Ohio does require that you have a vendor's license. Now there's one great reason why you definitely want to do this, and that is because when you're buying things for yourself that you're going to sell, whenever you set up, you can save 7.5%. That's what the sales tax rate is in our area. So that means if you go to a liquidator like Odd Lots or a dollar store or even the thrift stores, they're all going to want to charge you the 7.5% sales tax. If you have the vendor's license, you can set it up with them so you're tax exempt, and right off the top, you're going to save 7.5%. The cost of a vendor's license, the transient vendor's license, is $25, but that's not $25 per year. It's a one-time $25. So think how quickly you can get your $25 back for all the savings on 7.5%. Now, it is a little complicated, I'll admit that. I've done it myself, but we're going to help you, so we're going to make it as easy as possible. You do need a checking account to make this happen, and your social security number. So, now we're going to show you all the steps necessary. Go to the Ohio Business Gateway website, ohiobusinessgateway.ohio.gov. If you're an individual, fill in your social security number. If you're an established company, put in your federal ID number. Fill in all the information on this page, including your email address. Get ready for your password. It has to be at least 8 characters. It has to be at least one number and one letter, and it has to be one of these funny letters on the bottom has to be included. Next part is the trickiest part. Go to this page for new accounts and fuel permits. Scroll down to transient vendor's license. Click that, pay up, print your license. This is 4585 Northland Ridge Boulevard at the corner of Carl and Morris Road here in Columbus. This is the State Department of Taxation. So if you're able to get your transient vendor's license online, but you're having troubles later paying because something happened to your checking account, you can come here and make your payments. We're lucky to have this here in Columbus. So you can make your payments here if you don't have a checking account, or otherwise unable to make your payment online. You can come here. If you know the exact amount, you can come with money order, cashier's check. You can actually bring cash, and you can make your payment. I'm assuming, since you're watching this video, that you had enough access to a computer to actually sign up for your transient license and print it. But if for some reason that didn't happen, you can actually come here and they will get you signed up, and all you really have to do is just remember when you're done with them your username and your password, so next time when you come back to make your payment, they can easily look all that information up. So this is it. It's your last resort. If you're having any problems, come here and they can take care of you and resolve any of your problems and make you legal. Well, now that we've been through all of this, I'm going to say that maybe you still think you don't want to do it. And you don't want to do it because you don't want to fool around trying to collect the sales tax from your customers. It's going to be messy out there in circumstances like at a flea market. So we have two choices here. You can collect the 7.5%, and if you find that you're having troubles with it for a variety of reasons, one might be that buyers at a flea market aren't too used to paying sales tax. But you still need to do this, otherwise you're going to be in a lot of trouble. And you're in trouble either way, because if the state comes out and catches you, they're going to fine you, and then they're going to look into your selling history, and you're still going to have to pay. So the other choice is build it into your price, obviously keep track of your sales, and figure out what the 7.5% amounts to, and pay it to the state of Ohio twice a year on time. You'll be glad you did. Thanks for listening.